I'm Louis Stotts with the Thanksgiving Game. You're watching scenes following the collapse of a roof during a massive storm and the heartbreaking destruction of this two-story building on July the 21st. It caused the loss of a lot of the Thanksgiving Game inventory for 2010. But we thank God for two wonderful blessings. No one was in the building, so no one was injured. Also, the roof over our warehouse was spared. Still, water poured through the warehouse and much of our inventory was lost. Now, games in the original box won't be available at retailers like Cracker Barrel and Kroger. However, Amazon.com and some Christian bookstores through STL distributors will still have the boxed game, as they already had their inventory for 2010. Now for the big news. Through the efforts of a spirit-filled staff of writers and computer technicians, we at the Thanksgiving Game are introducing a downloadable version of the game for this year. When you click, print, and play, families worldwide can be more thankful to God and to each other. If you want this Thanksgiving to be more fun than it has ever been before, take advantage of this introductory offer, only $5.99, now through October 15th, 2010. I promise you, you will absolutely love playing this game. Buy it now before you forget. God bless you as you start the tradition.